In this file, we have an example that does mathematical calculations using the text function. The table in cells B4 to E7 lists scheduled delivery dates and times and actual delivery dates and times. An if function is used in column F to determine whether the delivery was on time, early, or late. The logical test of the if function is to determine if the scheduled date and time match the actual date and time of delivery. This is done by using the text function and ampersands to create a date and time text string that can be used in this calculation. For example, by combining B4 and converting it into a date and C4 and converting it into time, you get the result of August 1st at 10 a.m. that can be used in calculations. If the scheduled delivery matches the actual delivery, then the result of the formula will be on time. If this is not true, then there is a second if function where the logical test is to see if the scheduled delivery is less than the actual delivery. If this is true, the result will be late. If this is false, then the result will be early. Another if function is used in column H to determine how late the delivery was if it was late. If the result of the first if function is late, then the if function will calculate the difference between the actual delivery and the scheduled delivery. The result of this formula will be the difference between 10:45 a.m. on August 1st and 10 a.m. on August 1st in days. Therefore, the result of this formula must be multiplied by 24 to convert the days into hours. If the result of the delivery is not late, the result of the formula will be NA.